Have you ever seen something die and then just come back to life? Meet the wood frog. To this little guy, the freezing winter isn't a problem. It's just a nap. When the temperature drops, the wood frog doesn't head south for the winter. Instead, it literally turns into a living popsicle. We're talking no heartbeat, no breathing, and 65% of its body water turned to solid ice. How does it survive? It floods its body with a special type of natural antifreeze made of glucose and urea. This stops its cells from shrinking or bursting while it's frozen solid. Once spring arrives, the frog thaws from the inside out. Within a few hours, its heart starts beating again, it takes a breath, and hops away like the winter never even happened. Talk about a cold-blooded superpower. Did you know that elephants can talk to each other from miles away without making a single sound you can hear? It's called infrasound, low-frequency rumbles that travel through the air and even the ground. But here's the real superpower. Elephants don't just hear these sounds with their ears, they feel them through their feet. Using highly sensitive nerve endings in their foot pads, they can detect vibrations from other herds up to 6 miles away. It's basically a biological long-distance foot phone. When an elephant far away stomps or rumbles a warning, the ground carries that message like a silent telegraph. By standing still and leaning forward, an elephant can listen to the earth to find out exactly where its friends or its enemies are located. Imagine if you could lose an arm, a leg, or even part of your heart and just grow it back perfectly in a few weeks. Well, for the axolotl, that's just a normal Tuesday. Known as the Mexican walking fish, the axolotl is the undisputed king of regeneration. While most animals heal by growing scar tissue, the axolotl regrows entire limbs, bones, and even parts of its brain and spinal cord without leaving a single scar. Scientists are obsessed with them because they stay in their baby form their entire lives, keeping their external gills and never officially growing up. It's like they found the fountain of youth and a cheat code for immortality all at once. A predator diving at 30 miles per hour directly toward you. Yet you can't hear a single sound, even as it passes right over your head. This is the owl, the ultimate silent assassin of the night. Most birds make a distinct whooshing noise when they fly because of air turbulence hitting their wings. But the owl has a secret weapon. Its feathers. The leading edge of an owl's wing is serrated like a comb, which breaks up the air into tiny currents. Then, soft, downy feathers muffle the remaining noise, making their flight almost completely silent. This isn't just for stealth, it's also for precision listening. Because the owl flies so quietly, it can use its incredible hearing to pinpoint the tiny rustle of a mouse under the snow without its own wings masking the sound. By the time the prey realizes something is there, it's already too late. Imagine being hunted in total pitch-black darkness by a killer that doesn't even need its eyes to find you. This is the pit viper, a snake equipped with biological thermal vision. Located between their eyes and nostrils are special organs called pits. These are so sensitive they can detect infrared radiation from several feet away, creating a thermal map inside the snake's brain. It's basically seeing the heat signature of its prey glowing against the cold night air. The precision is terrifying. A pit viper can sense a temperature change of just a fraction of a degree. Even if the snake were completely blindfolded, it could strike with pinpoint accuracy just by following your warmth. It's essentially a living, breathing, heat-seeking missile that never needs a flashlight to find its target. And now you know. It's the Fun Fact Show. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fun facts. See you next time.